Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright, Gems, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Gems, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Gemini, wow, 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. With the 5 of Swords and the Page of Swords, King of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Sun card. Bottom of my deck, Gemini, I have the Magician in reverse. So, I think someone here has a lot of love, had a lot of love. There's somebody who makes them really happy, somebody who's single, independent, doing really well, overflowing, love for this person. But I think they self-sabotage this connection. They watch from afar but unable to express their emotions. And because of this kind of behavior, I think things have come to a halt. Maybe there is unrest in this connection now. There has been some miscommunication, or maybe this King of Cups, instead of showing their love, has done the opposite thing and behaved in a very rash manner. So there is let's see what I'm going to do, Gemini. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the cards, okay? So Gemini and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their person, if they could say something, spirit. Okay, let's take a few more from here, Gemini. Gemini and their person. And Gems, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. All right. Good to go, Gems. Let's start your reading. The first card I have here for you says, we are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. That's what I felt. Somebody doesn't talk about it, and that's kind of created a little bit of rift between the two of you. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in you and our relationship anymore. So the other person, I think, is saying, if you're not going to tell me, then, well, I'll step back as well. Would you just stop holding back? Lay it all on me. I want you to reveal your true self to me. Tell me your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your vulnerabilities. What makes you tick and what you really desire. This is again that very coaxing energy that, hey, speak up. I know you love me, I love you. Why don't you just speak and tell me the truth? I dream that I'll wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each morning. Loving you is knowing what true love is. There is no logical explanation to my feelings. My heart only responds to yours. You are my endless love. My desire is to have a family with you. Will you have a family with me? There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. My ex and I are just friends. Let's talk and clear the air. Again, third reference. Talk about it. Just talk to me. Both of you, not me, but one person is saying to the other, we both know we love each other. Then why are we, guarding and watching and spying and all that, and Okay, let's see. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, Gemini. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. You found it. See, both of you know that you found true love. But there's always a but. Let's see what this but is all about. Okay. So, Spirit, Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. See, this is the problem. Even though a connection makes somebody very, very happy, they know this is their wish fulfillment, but they bring in an imbalance because either they are very sharp with their tongue. Gemini, this could be you. It's the King of Swords in reverse, right? So somebody who doesn't articulate very well, especially when they are in reverse. Otherwise, upright, this is an honest, good person who is honest and speaks clearly. But the minute they are in reverse, then they are either lying to themselves or to others, or just kind of closed off emotionally. And that's what's bringing this imbalance to this connection. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Again, King of Cups in reverse. As much as they want to maybe speak and reveal their innermost secrets, they feel that maybe some disruption has already happened and they would have to kind of bite the bullet maybe and remove some toxicity which has happened in this connection. They do see that person as glowing, beautiful, self-sufficient. I think there's a lot of love here as well. Ace of Cups, Spirit, Ace of Cups. Yes, see, 10 of Cups, Ace of Cups. But they know that to get this person, this beautiful Nine of Pentacles person, they will first have to reveal the truth about all the funny business, I think, which happened in the past. And if there's been any kind of toxic behavior in the past, they'll have to get over it or talk about it, and then they can achieve this. So, yes, they know that without that, they will not achieve this. Yes, they are stuck, absolutely stuck. Things are stuck between the two of you. They know that if they don't open up and talk and reveal and, be honest, then they're never going to achieve this 10 of Pentacles. But they do want to. They have the 10 of Cups. They know this person gives them emotional happiness. They can see a future with them. There is love here. So, what is this Five of Swords then, Spirit? There was a fight. There was either this, maybe this bad behavior of this King of Swords or this Magician in reverse. They could have been unemotional, or at that point maybe they were very cocky and felt it's my way or the highway, I'll decide, and maybe I don't want to be, in a committed relationship or whatever. So they kind of created some kind of unrest in this connection, due to which I think this Nine of Pentacles person walked away. They walked away, and now they see them glowing and doing very well for themselves, and all they can do now is watch them from afar. Right? Now they know that to go back, because now they're recognizing the love is there, emotional happiness is there, but now to get back to them, I'll have to reveal things, I'll have to open up. If I've been doing anything wrong, I'll have to get rid of that. So right now, I think all they seem to be doing is watching, spying, hoping that their person is not giving to anyone else. But there is a blockage here. There is a blockage. They are unable to really talk about what's really going on in their heart. Still hiding their emotions, even though there's a lot of love here. King of Cups. I think this King of Cups has started to fear that this Nine of Pentacles person doesn't want to be with them anymore. They feel like this Empress who's in reverse now, has made up their mind that I don't see any future with you, I don't see any fertility and growth with you, you've knocked me off my pedestal in the past, and they are fearing that they won't agree now. That's the reason things are at a stagnancy at the moment. No movement at all as such, but still Yes, there's been injustice. There's been injustice, and this Empress has not been respected in the past. But somebody is hoping that they can be forgiven for that, for the fight or the tower moment that was created, or the unrest that's been happening or has happened. There was a tower moment here where maybe there was a fight or something here. So there is a sense of general unhappiness as such. See, Sun in reverse is clarified by the Sun in reverse with the Fool card in reverse. So right now, I think whoever this Magician in reverse was, or who was not opening up with their emotions, they found the person, they recognized the person they want for the long haul. But even though, well, there is happiness, but there is not that complete happiness where they can openly reveal what's in their heart, because they're feeling A, they've made a very foolish judgment call in the past, and B, they may not get this brand new beginning. They're fearing that their person is fed up of them and now will not agree. Am I right, Spirit? Anything else for Gemini? They see themselves now. They want to come forward as an emperor. No more Magician in reverse. No more King of Cups in reverse, or the King of Swords in reverse. Now I think this person has found their self-worth, or they found who they were looking for. I think it's a little late, at least according to this emperor now. They feel, okay, now I know what I found, what makes me happy, but my behavior in the past may not be forgiven. So, Magician in reverse, Spirit? Anything here? Yes, this person is going through a lot of stress. Oh my God, they're going through sleepless nights, stress and tension, because they are fearing that they will be left behind or left out in the cold now, and they will not be forgiven. Okay, so yes, that's all I have for you this time, Gemini. All because maybe somebody didn't want to commit. So, and they were not opening up, they were not talking, they are still not talking. They're fearing, they are watching, making up all these stories in their mind that if I do go, I won't be forgiven, I won't be given a second chance. And all these dialogue message cards which are coming from your subconscious energy are saying, hey, just talk to me. Just tell me what's in your heart, tell me. I'm sure, Gems, if you're the cross watcher, whoever's listening, if you're on this end worrying, I think it's better to talk, because at least it'll relieve you of your stress. Okay? So I have a feeling you'll get a second chance from the dialogue message cards that I got. But yes, you can either speak and get this 10 of Cups, or you can stay in stress and feel left out in the cold forever. Choice is yours, Gemini, or the cross watcher. So I'll see you again next Tuesday. In fact, we'll dip into the other person's emotions as well, and see how they truly feel about you, and vice versa. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.